to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. One man came across the sea. He brought us pain and misery. He killed our tribes. He killed our king. He took our land for his own need. We fought him hard. We fought him well. Out on the plains, we gave him hell. But man became too much for greed. Oh, will we ever be set free? Wading through dust-close and barren wastes, galloping out of the place, chasing the redskins back to their homes, fighting them at their own game. Murder for freedom, stabbing the back, women and children have powers to tap. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Soldiers go in their barren wastes, hunting and killing their game, raping the women, enslaving the men. The only Indian are tame, selling the whiskey, taking their gold, enslaving the young and destroying the old. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Children! Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to